Yeah. After the rain, after the storm, after the tears have been shed, after the people have mourned, the streets is wet, the sky is still cloudy. Birds are singing, but drama is still around me. The wars and floods, handshakes and hugs, guns and slugs, somebody's dealing drugs. The people we meet are enemies in the state, things that happen to fulfill destiny's fate. After the rain, after the storm, after the pain, we must go on. Love you more, you're the one I adore. Never thought that I'd see this day until I met you, this is predestined for sure. Never thought that I would score. Bad past relationships went sour. Tried to diminish my powers by knocking me down like the Twin Towers, but the storm didn't kill me, so I must be stronger. Holding hands with God, walking through the fire, the question is how much longer? R.I.P. to my lost homie, you will not be forgotten. Do one bad apple in the basket make the rest rotten? I still hear cell bars closing and chains locking. Institutionalized is what the system tried to make. Blessed that I made it home, but my brothers are still locked behind the gate. This is real, dog, no movie scene, this ain't no fake. No Camp Crystal Lake, you do dirt, you get dirt, life is what you make. Pressure breaks pipes, how much pressure can I take? Under stress but blessed, so don't get it twisted. Young talented brother with the poetic flow, yes I'm gifted. Love you more, you're the one I adore, who am I writing to? There's no special lady in my life, so dog I have no clue. This is my heart speaking, coming from me, reaching to you. I send this poem to God, who loved me more than I could ever love you.